Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2008 Honda CBR1000RR. This superbike just came with only 23,000 miles, got brand new tires on it, smoke windscreen, it's got a beautiful custom seat, fender eliminator. Come by and make your superbike dreams come true for just $64.90. This bike is in beautiful condition. It's not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on their web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.